Hey, I'm Carter from Public, and today I'm going to walk you through one of our most powerful features, the Fundamentals Hub. It's where you can access earnings data, income statements, balance sheets, the works. You'll find the Fundamentals Hub on any asset page. For this example, let's just pick a random stock from our portfolio. Once you scroll past the price chart, you'll land on a section that gives you a full snapshot of the company's financial health, starting with metrics like revenue, PE ratio, and more. You can also check out dividend yield, trading volume, and performance over time. Below that, we surface relevant news articles and exclusive content pertaining to the asset you're looking at. This is a great way to dive deeper into reports. Moving on down, you'll find the earnings and financials section. If you're a public premium member, you'll get access to up to 4 years of past results, so you can track how the company's been trending over time. This is where you'll find income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. We surface the high-level numbers first, but if you want to go deeper, just click Show More to explore the full data. Moving on, there's the Analyst Rating section. This is where you'll find up-to-date expert opinions on any stock, including an overall rating based on analysts' buy, hold, and sell calls. And finally, one of my favorite parts of the asset page, the Key Metrics section. This is where you'll find some of the more unique data points, like how many Model 3s Tesla delivered last quarter, or how Netflix's subscriber growth is trending by region. It's a great way to get to know a company beyond just the basics. So that's the Fundamentals Hub, your go-to spot for earnings, financials, and key performance data, all in one place. Check it out next time you're researching a stock.